the minimum withdrawal to faucetpay wallet is 3000 Satoshi, and the maximum withdrawal limit is 13,000 Satoshis. So guys, this website has paid me through faucetpay. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. So guys, I have placed a link in the description below. Click the link and it will redirect you to this website, Bitcoin for viewing websites. Click sign up and please enter your Bitcoin address and choose your password to register. Please note that the password must be unique. If you do not use on another site, place your email as well as Bitcoin address and password. The password must be at least 8 symbols. Click on I am not robot to verify that you are human, and then go to Coinbase and click here, and again click receive. You will find your wallet address there. Copy the address and paste it here, and then click sign up. So as you can see, I have successfully opened an account on this website. If you want to earn money from viewing website, you can click start earning BTC. And if you want to promote your website, you can add a link and pay for the advertisement you made. I am going to show you how to earn on this website. Click start earning BTC. As you can see, there are 3 choices to earn money on this application. The first one is surf ad, the second one is auto surfing, and the third active window surfing. Click on the first and verify that you are not robot. As you can see, there are a price for every website you open, and if you agree with the price of viewing the website, click open, and then it will redirect you to other website address. As you can see, there is a countdown. When the countdown reaches 0, the assigned price will credited to your account. As you can see, there is also another website that pays 12 Satoshi. You can also see how much you earned. Open the website and then wait for the countdown to reach 0. Click on the 3 line and then scroll down. Click on active window surfing. Here on active window surfing, after you click on the link, new page will be opened, and when page loaded, timer starts. Please don't close it until timer is ticking. When time will be gone and you resolve captcha, you get the Satoshi. As you can see, there are prices and seconds that you will get paid. A Satoshi for spending 10 seconds and 9 Satoshi for spending on the website that you opened. Click on one website. As you can see, new page will be open, and when page loaded, the countdown starts. When the countdown reaches 0, you should have to solve a captcha. As you can see, there are different types of captcha. As you can see here, to solve the captcha, I have to choose the different image, and then after completing the captcha, I have earned 9.8 Satoshi. Again, go back to the website and click auto surfing, and again click the 3 line, and you will get auto surfing, faucet, and you can also advertise your website video, YouTube video. You can advertise your referral links here on advertise page. Let's see the third way to earn money on this website. Click on auto surfing. Here you don't have to do anything. The website will count down the time. When the time reaches 0, you will be credited with some Satoshi. As you can see, I have credited with 2.8 Satoshi by doing nothing. If the auto surfed website is ended, you will land on this page. It says that they are waiting for new link. You may not to close this page. The auto surfing session will resume as soon as the advertisement appears. The fourth way to earn on this website is faucet. Click faucet. After clicking on the claim button, you will be redirected to the URL shortener website. Click skip to return to this website and collect the bonus. So if you want to withdraw your earning, click the three line and scroll down to withdraw. Click withdraw. Since October 2020, commission on Bitcoin network have increased by about 5 times and it has become very unprofitable to withdraw small amounts. Sometimes the commission for the payment could be more than the amount sent itself. While the Bitcoin network maintain high sending fee, this website raising the minimum amount for withdrawing to Bitcoin wallets. Please use alternative withdrawal method, faucetpay and Express Crypto if you want to receive funds faster. So as you can see, I have linked a BTC address. This BTC address was Coinbase wallet address. In order to withdraw minimum amount, you should have to link your Express Crypto or faucetpay Bitcoin addresses. Your withdrawal will be processed in 3 business days from the date of request. Minimum withdrawal to Bitcoin address is 45,000 satoshis. If you want to withdraw to faucetpay, the minimum withdrawal to faucetpay wallet is 3,000 satoshi and the maximum withdrawal limit is 13,000 satoshis. So guys, this website has paid me through faucetpay. I will post the video of payment proof soon. This is the best way to earn passive online income. So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.